Please note, the codes and features required to perform certain functions on the Panasonic phone systems may be subject to change on a client-by-client basis. With the Panasonic phone, you can quickly set a call forward. This way, you will ensure calls are never missed as you determine where they go and under what circumstances. The most common form of forwarding calls is to forward all calls. This will apply to any calls you receive or any calls that are transferred to you. To forward all calls, using the keypad, press *7102, followed by the number, either as an extension or external number, then press #. If you want to forward calls outside the business, say to a mobile, you'll need to ensure you put a 9 at the start of the number you enter. Once done, press the SP phone key to set. You will hear a confirmation tone and the /DND key will light up to show you this has been set. Now if someone tries to call or transfer to your extension, they will automatically go through to the destination you set, either another extension number or external number. To remove any call forward you've set, press *7100, then press the SP phone key. Once done, a message will appear on the LED display saying forward DND off, and you will also hear a confirmation tone. You can forward call under specific circumstances. The process is still the same, yet the code input is different. Busy forward. To set, enter *7103, followed by your chosen number, then #. This will only forward all calls from anyone who tries to contact you whilst you're already on the phone. No answer forward. To set, enter *7104, followed by your chosen number and then #. This will only forward all calls if you do not answer your phone. Busy no answer forward. To set, enter *7105, followed by your chosen number and then #. This will forward all calls if you do not answer your phone and or if your phone is engaged. Remember, to remove any of the forwards you have set, press *7100, then press the SP phone key.